Hi guys and welcome back to my channel. I'm Lina and in this video I'll show the most profitable and easiest trading strategy. If you're new here and think the trading is too hard for you, is wrong because my strategies are very simple even for beginners. And now let's start our trading session.
Go to my Telegram channel by the link below the video. To do this, open it in the app. Join the group and be sure to turn on notifications so you don't miss any useful information every day. Join my VIP group, just go to the dialog with me and write +VIP.
So let's start on our workspace. First, we say today we'll trade with $100. We start with this sum, our starting balance. The amount of deal will be $100 also. We must exceed $1,000. I hope this will be good. And today we have a pocket option. This platform on which we will trade, and our balance will be increasing. You can see it in this corner, our broker. So time 1 minute, and there are not only minute deal. In my Telegram you can find and 5 and 10 and 1 hour. You can look and you can find the link in the description to my Telegram. So what's more here, the deal time is 1 minute and we enable the minute time frame in the settings here. So correct. Then we'll trade on you see here assets, crypto, but we will trade on concept pairs, maybe 9 or 10 concept pairs for today. The first will be 7 maybe, and then our last. Let's see, we will use our analysis and 2 indicators, the ZIG and ADX. Let me tell you a little about these indicators. I'll tell you the theory and first, and then I'll show you it's in practice. I'll start with the first indicator. I think it will be ZIG, located on our chart. Here are its parameters. You can pause it and screen it, copy it. This indicator is located on our chart. So what to say? Connect the lines with a straight line so we can see changes in our chart. ZIG filters them out. Some consolidations, changes in the market, like most technical analysis indicators. ZIG does not predict further price movements. It only helps predict previous fluctuations. ZIG helps to identify the main trends and also helps a lot on determine the support and resistance levels of the upper and lower levels. Our second indicator is ADX. At the bottom of the screen, these are the settings. You can also copy them here. So it shows the average distance between two components. this is plus TI and minus TI red lines. So as convenience for you, and ADX works on any instruments and at any intervals. It allows you to evaluate the strength of a trend at certain points in time. The stronger the trend movements, the higher the ADX line. So the ADX value itself is indicated by this blue line. So looks at the upper range is the line that prevails. It's not always worth looking at it. There are points on the chart. There are also moments like here where not to look at the indicator when two moving averages are directed in the same direction, like here, at the same angle. This is when there is a consolidation. Such situations happens. In this case, we need to look at our indicators and our technical analysis. So let's move on to the trading session and to our concept paths. So we start with our first concept path. Here we are on the first concept path. Let's go up and begin our technical analysis. The first thing we see is that we are now experiencing a fairly strong decline, but not here. Push up. We overcome the shock and installed a new one. Rolls back to the top position. We will trade with the trend and therefore opens up. Some boundaries we reach it. Some pullbacks we see. So up deal, and by the zigzag we see that we have a decline. We're in the upper range, but we're on a minute deal, so we're considering the situation in detail. According to the ADX, we're showing a decrease, but the line begins to grow, so we open a trade based on analysis. Let's see. The deal closes in plus. Yeah, our profits. We see the balance is $188. And don't forget to subscribe to my Telegram channel. You can find the link in the description. There you'll find all my deals. So, what's next? Let's go further to the next concept. Here we are, open for an increase. Let's see. Let's find out why we opened for an increase. Technical analysis. The first thing is that we see an upward trend. It's confident on the chart. If we choose the resistance level highlighted and the support area, we see, like here, we see that we have reached the resistance level. The push occurred much earlier and we established a new support area, and a cyclical reversal occurred, and it will move on. I think there will be reversal. That's why we opened up. We also see a candle. It indicates the confidence of our trend. We see a similar situation for ADX, an upward trend for the zigzag star. We see the same. The intensity is growing. Let's see, there are 22 seconds left until the end of the deal. Zoom. Here we see the deal should close in plus, I think. Yeah, good. Our profits, let's see. Our deal is in plus. Let's move on to the next concept. Here we are going to open down. Let's start our technical analysis, and what we see here, we're experiencing a decline, overcame the support area. According to the indicator, we're looking at the zigzag, we have a downward trend and it's stable down. So down trade, what we see from the indicator by ADX, yeah, it's decreasing, so the intensity is growing. The chart is going down. Let's see. 2 seconds left until the end of our deal. Yeah, excellent deal closes on profit. Good. The balance is growing. And let's move on. Fourth concept up. Yeah, we are here. Up deal, and let's open. Let's start our technical analysis. So what we see here, upward trend here for a long time. This means that will be rollback soon. But why down? Our previous ones are red candles. We see it. Some shadows. We see we will have an upward trend. So let me think. Yeah, our previous candle was red. More chances to upward trend. And according to the zigzag indicator, we have an upward trend by ADX. So the same intersection we see. The red looks up, we have a decline in intensity. We see it decreasing in chart. The deal closes at 0. We see the balance was $353 and remains the same. So it happens. Not bad. And let's summarize with the fourth concept up. We started with $100 and now the balance tripled. And so we'll find all, yeah, good. It's good. And you will find all the deals and signals in analytics, information about trading and many other things you can find in my Telegram channel. And the links you can find in the description. And also don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Turn on notifications to watch the video first. Like and comments, of course. And let's move on to the next concept. So now we are ready on to the next concept. We will open down. We see the chart going down. Decline. Some kind of consolidation we see. It helps us. In this regard, we see a jump upward. We have reached the peak. So the downtrend. This consolidation began due to growth, according to indicators. What we see by ADX, green is directed slightly upward and red is slightly downward, but we are guided by our analysis. By zigzag, overall upward trend we see. This indicator filters out small consolidations. The deal should close in plus, I think. Yeah, we're in the black. The balance is $428. Let's follow. Yeah. Let's move on to the next concept. Sixth. Yeah, here we are. Let's up and down. Let's start with our technical analysis. Here we have a decline and a large one. So we have a short deal. Yeah, down deal. a quite confident deal. By ZIG, we see that it's corrected and we have a downward trend. We're moving in the down position. According to ADX indicator, we see that our downward trend completely prevails over the upward one. Cool. We see an area of resistance and support. We have overcome the area of resistance and the chart moves towards the support area. So the intensity drops, some increasing, but this doesn't matter, and we just look. Yep, we're in the black. Our balance is $501. Good. Let's increase the deal amount. On the next concept. Yeah, and now just $100. So let's move on. We'll open up here and let's start our technical analysis. So at the moment we have an upward trend and a large one at this stage. Yeah, we see we have not yet reached the resistance level, but we will see what happens next. So we see more. We see that the global trend would of course open downward. Everything is transparent. But ZIG has not formed for a long time. By ADX, the same two lines are directed upwards. It's like that. That's why we opened up. Intensity is decreasing. We see consolidation. There are 5 seconds left, and we're zoom it. Yeah, plus deal. Profit is $88. Good. So let's move on. Let's set the deal amount to $300. And let's move on to the first concept. Let's go in circles. Our first deal, so on this concept, let's open down. Chart is going down, downtrend we see. The chart, yeah. So what happens next will be a downward trend. Next we see the support area. We overcame and rolled back many times. I think we will break through the support area, and if we look at this, you find it. By ZIG indicator, we see that we have a downward trend and the chart is going down. Good. And by ADX, we also see clear downward trend. This is important. And our situation, the intensity drops we see in the range. Yeah, excellent. The deal goes well. Everything is looking good. The balance is already $787. You will see all my deals in my Telegram channels. And different tactics, different information about trading you can find there. You can find the link in the description to my Telegram. So let's go on. I think it will be our last concept. So second circle, second concept up. So it's not much to say. The first signal is an uptrend. Nothing special here. The chart will go further higher. And the second signal, so to say, shadows of green candles, we see this also confirms that the chart is going up. And the chart is going up. You see it. So according to ZIG, we see that the trend is stable. And yeah, we see it. And according to ADX, there's also some kind of consolidation. So we open a deal based on analysis. The intensity is growing because of recovery of chart. And we close the deal in profit. Good. And let's finish our trading session for today. Good. Let's summarize. It.
Hello traders, my name is Lina and you're on my YouTube channel where I show you how to trade in minor options. Here you'll find the most profitable and easiest trading strategies.
This was the last concept pair. Our balance increased almost 10 times. It was $100 at the beginning, and now there are more than $1,000. This is very cool. So this was the last concept pair. As I said, we traded with 10% of our balance. It's safer, it's better to beginners to trade this way. And subscribe to my Telegram channel. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. And if you have any questions, you can write me in the comments. I'll be glad to answer them. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.